Brendan, and today I'm drawing for ICanDrawThat on Reddit. So it's Reddit.r/r/ICanDrawThat. I get a lot of requests on there from various people and various things. The first request that I'm taking is for author Laan Beck, or at least somebody in their name, who's published a very interesting book which does not have illustrations in it. And I don't know if there's kind of a thing behind this, but the point of, if you go look it up on Amazon, it's like a blank illustration book where they leave space for you to illustrate it. And so that's a novel idea. That's pretty cool. So they requested that I choose one of the stanzas, and if that's even the correct word, and then I'm going to go ahead and illustrate it. So I chose this one. The sailors watched the skies unfold, with spurs that moved like legends told. And though the ship was built to stand, the first mate charted nearest land. So obviously they're in trouble with weather. It's a nautical story, and as you can see, when Sam sets sail, right there, to get a little closer so you can read the text. And bad weather is coming in. It's getting dangerous. So the first mate is charting nearest land, which means he's looking for someplace safe for them to land. It's a sturdy ship, but the skies aren't looking too good. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to make an illustration for this. And here we go into time lapse.